Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the image and duplicating the layer so you can always revert. You want contrast between foreground and background because the selection will rely on edge differences. Low contrast means more manual correction. Once done, pick a primary selection tool, lasso for rough shapes, pen for precision, magic wand for uniform areas, and set a soft brush for manual cleanup. Make sure to hide other layers and zoom to 100% to evaluate fine edges before you refine the selection. With your selection converted to a layer mask, you now refine edges to look natural. You should expand or contract the mask by a couple of pixels to eliminate halos, because automatic selection often leaves thin artifacts. Then use a soft, low-flow brush to paint the mask in black or white. Black hides, white reveals, so you gently correct hair, fur, or irregular outlines. Once that's tidy, apply slight feathering and use the Shift Edge control to balance sharpness versus blending. This reduces hard cutouts without softening essential detail. To finish, add your replacement background beneath the mask subject and assess color and light to ensure a believable composite. Adjust hue and shadows as needed. You should create a flattened copy only when satisfied, but keep the original file with layers so you can tweak later. If you see color fringing or halos, desaturate the fringe or use a color decontaminate tool and paint sampled background tones onto the mask edge. If edges still look wrong, step back. Refine the mask locally and recheck at 100%.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.